Good evening. I hope that your first couple days of really diving into this after spring break have been going okay. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes and touch base. I'm attaching this in a really long email that kind of covers each subject that we're going to be teaching or covering in depth. So I just wanted to touch base with just a few kind of overall announcements. I've structured the day based on some research that I've been doing to figure out how long should they be working at home. And everything that I've been finding is for third grade, it's about 2 hours a day. By all means, if that 2 hours doesn't work for you, make whatever works work. If you need more than 2 hours, awesome. The kids can spend more time on any of the resources that I've sent you. That's just kind of a guideline. Also, with that said, the work that I'm sending, I don't know how long it's going to take at home. So your feedback is critical. And it's just so important so that I can adjust and change our day as we need. I really appreciate the feedback and the just the grace and the love and the support that I've been receiving as I've been trying to navigate how to teach in a whole different world than I was trained to teach. Even having my master's in technology, this is definitely not how I envisioned teaching online. So please continue to provide me with that support and feedback, and we will adjust. One of the things that the kids and I obviously talk about a lot is growth mindset. And that's being able to make a mistake and try something different. I'm learning already where to streamline a couple of things. So I'll continue to work with the kids on that. And then I just appreciate all the love and grace that you've given me and the opportunities for us to kind of muddle through this together. There's a few things that I did want to cover. I created a Google Doc, and I mentioned this in the email, but I really feel like it's important for me to connect with the kids weekly. One of the things that I think really helps learning is relationships. I don't feel like good learning happens without good relationships. And so I want to make sure that I continue to have that with the kids. I also want to support you. Some of the feedback that I've received is that the kids need to know that this is coming from me, that the work that's being online is expectations from me. Not that you want them to read for 30 minutes a day, but that I want them to. And so I thought if I did a weekly one-on-one call, that might just help reinforce that. It's totally optional if you want to have them do that call or not. But if you want to, I would love to connect with them. Just sign up on the Google Sheet. If those times don't work, let me know, and we can find a different time. I did them Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to kind of give the kids a couple days to dive in for the week. I did want to show you on our Google page. I am going to move over. I'm going to move a couple things, so I wanted to just show you right here under the week. This is where I'll put that Google or the Zoom call for the one-on-one calls. So I'll put that in here, and then I will also put the Zoom call for our morning meeting, and I'll label them morning meeting and one-on-one. So that's just in our weekly work. And then I'm going to start tomorrow underneath of the date. So Wednesday's not up here yet. I'll do that in a few minutes. But underneath of the date, I will put our daily call so that way it's everything that you need for the day is there, and it's just a checklist. So underneath of, Tuesday, March 31st, this would have said, start here, morning video. And so I think that will be easy. I would like the kids to be able to use the stream. I'll be honest, it makes me a little nervous, but I feel like they need to connect to each other. And so this can be a place that they can talk, and I'll move all of my stuff into our classwork page. I think that's it for now. If you have questions, let me know. Please, again, I know I keep saying this, but I really want to be your partner through this. I want to support you. That's my job. And those are my babies home with you too. When they come into my class, I love on them just like they're mine. So please let me know what I can do to support you. If you need any help, if you need more, I have all of my documents electronically. I can send you PDFs of anything. If you need more paper pencil kind of things and you want to print, we can absolutely do that. Just let me know. And I look forward to continuing to work with you, and let me know if you have any questions.